Q. I'm vanilla, baby. I'll choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby. She 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skillet, baby. And the thing about your boy is I know it's insane. I like that. Young J-A-C-K-A-K-A Rico like Suave. Enrique speaking at AKA. She's an alpha, but not around your boy. She be quiet.
This nigga.
Hold on, what you heard of what you thought
You got it, buddy?
But they lied about your boy going dumb.
He can't even fit that camera.
Niggas better pull some bitches tonight.
You be recording you driving?
Bro, not yet.
I
Once.
just started that.
For real?
Cause we be doing pools and it, but you don't like what you do.
Really? Yeah, I'll do the same thing that he's doing.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Cause the cops be chasing us.
I didn't even notice it earlier. I wasn't even paying attention. I just noticed.
My dad's
yeah, cause this is a piece of shit.
Dad's
Is that one of the ones off of Amazon?
That shit's on Temu.
That joint definitely a piece of shit.
I got a lot of shit from Temu that's dope, though.
Yeah, Temu does sell a lot of dope shit.
You just gotta
This nigga
go.
loves
My mom got
Temu.
like a nice ass fucking automatic trash can from that
You
bitch.
gotta know what to get. Yeah.
Reality TV to reality. So we provide more than 1,000 hours
I
of
got
Put
this,
your niggas on, bro. We're gonna play some
The
good
phone jar,
shit.
phone
I
holder.
got
Yeah,
the
that's
holder
fire.
from Temu. Like, that's perfect.
Yeah, okay. What do y'all do? Never mind. Thank you, bro. That's my shit, nigga.
Racks on racks stuck together. Sip red, talk to the devil. Rosetta Stone forever. High yellow, every yellow. Hot chocolate Cinderella. Trap off from trap to trailer. We paper stuck together. Back bitch can fuck my belly. Strapped up with heavy metal. Sip lean, talk to the devil. Hot chicks, they confidential. AP or presidential. Never go against the ghetto. Stay true, got hoes in Belgium. New bitch, new car is levels. I piss codeine on peasants. Free band, you got to get it. Get a check, then flip it in trenches. And the jet filling up in the Bentley. Cartier wood buff, they vintage. Pour AC, the rings on glisten. Real ice with the bad bitch glisten. Racks on racks stuck together. Sip red, talk to the devil. Rosetta Stone forever. High yellow, every yellow. Hot chocolate Cinderella. Trap off a trap trailer. Blue paper stuck together. Bad bitch gon' fuck my belly.
Now this my part right
You know
here.
it's high versus lows. 2 M's that's on the pedal. This bitch make that bitch jealous. This cop ain't never fell us. My J's they match your melon. You know it ain't no telling. Rather go duck a felon. The bankroll took for billing. Blue out wet, I'm in Helen. This gas broke out propelling. Back to back like the train. Think twice tryna derail us. They gang like the good fellas. Took couple paper pillars. She like go watch go chain. African Cinderella. Mix them up and
Right, the past 20 years.
back to back like the train. Think twice tryna derail us. They gang like the good fellas. Took couple paper
I
pillars.
remember being
She
y'all
like go
days
watch go
going
chain. African Cinderella.
We went there to sell drugs, but
You can find this wherever. Ducking on tops of weather. It's space looking
This
for
nigga
better.
used to get money, bro.
Bags on right stuck together. Sit red top.
This car,
I was still drowning. Dead nigger, dead nigger, dead nigger, dead nigger, dead nigger, bitch, I drowned. I went to the pool with my friends and they told me if I start to.
Nah, that's not the one I wanted. Dead nigger is
I want to
crazy.
hear that. I went to the friends in my pool and they told me what, bro? They told my nigga what? What they tell him? Oh, I'm drowning, bro. He put the wrong one.
That's my shit. That's my shit.
I'm drowning.
I'm drowning.
I'm drowning. I'm drowning.
Steal this
Wrist so icy, wonder why she like me, bitch. I'm drowning. In water, I just bought a cube and dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show. I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch. I'm drowning. I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain.
he's a shotter. Pick up the ladder, put it in the gun, make the nine stretch. Niggas with attitude, but we come straight out of Highbridge. I'm gon' make her panties wet when she see the way I flex. I'm gon' win the Grammy, move my family out the projects. We went from
I'm chilling in the projects. I'm
Oh, decline. Please decline, bro.
No, I got an idea. Hold up, just be quiet, alright? Go in the back and quiet.
making projects. We was trying to get to the top and they tried to stop us. I talk for myself, bitch, I don't need no
Doctor.
Hold on, I might hit it with one of these. Hello?
Hey,
Hey, pretty. I'm on my way to my grandparents.
I was just checking to see how you were doing.
I'm doing alright. I mean, my stomach's feeling a little better. I mean, I think it might just be a 24-hour bug. Did you still want to hang out tomorrow?
I'm sure.
Alright, yeah, I'll come to. Did you still want to have that movie marathon tomorrow? I just wanted to make sure like it wasn't nothing serious. I wanted to like chill out today, make sure I wasn't like actually sick and shit, you know?
Yeah, I understand that. But yeah, we can still do that if you want.
Yeah, I'm down. I'll come over tomorrow, alright? I'm ready to call you when I get home.
Alright,
Alright, have a good day. Bye, pretty.
you too. Bye.
fucking voucher. She looked at my wrist and she looked at 100,000. Wrist so icy, wonder why she like me, bitch. I'm drowning in water. I just bought a cube and dipped it in a fountain. Everywhere that I go, it's a light show. I'm surrounded. Bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bust down, bitch. I'm drowning. I just bought a Cuban ring and dipped it in a fountain. Chain so heavy, I feel like I'm holding up a mountain.
Oh, no way, my friend. Y'all niggas got this shit?
I ain't bringing charger, man. Fuck.
Damn, Kenzie just snapped me too. My little boot thing, bro.
Yo, this guy.
I'm mad, nigga. That's that blonde joint. You know what I gotta say to my phone as? Main bot.
I have my fucking number.
Main bot. One of y'all niggas get his number, bro. Angel, your phone charge. Cop my dad's number real quick, cause we're gonna need to call him. Yeah. What's your number?
Damn, look at that street light, bro. What is that, like a
693
Look at that
593
What? 693?
443 593 2000.
You saw that shit. You saw that
I got better
shit.
though.
Dad, where's your phone at?
Right there, bro.
Why is this shit recording? Yeah.
Better
Somebody hit them, bro.
better than
Where's
this.
the carnival at?
The water with the fire coming, bro.
Is it far?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Save it as Cliff. Cliff, Dad, Fathead, nigga. Anything works. Yo, that's fucked up. We be fucking with each other like that all the time, bro. We be dragging. They got the spaceship ride there, nigga.
Yeah, they got that. Where it goes backwards, you drive back.
Yeah, that's a fun.
Up and down.
Y'all niggas wanna hit this
let y'all know.
Don't be chiefing on my shit. Oh, fucking hit it. You know me, I'm just dropping y'all niggas off. Like, hurry up and hit it. So I ain't even gotta go in there.
Hurry up, hit that door.
Yeah, he don't got to pull in.
Yeah, like, y'all can just walk up that bitch. There, come on.
Nigga, you gotta hit the button, Angel.
You retard. Damn, she got a fucking fat ass.
Cat call.
Y'all just I'll pull up right here. Y'all jump out.
Y'all niggas ready? Bye, I love you.
I love you. Call me before 3 hours. Actually,
I'll call you at like 9:30.
Baby, stay in money, how can I complain? Baby girl, yeah, she got skills, that's the baby.